some replies to how are you. Remember that sentence for how are you? Kei te pēhea koe? How are you? Well, here's about 20 responses. Okay, you can practice on your whānau. You can practice at home with your sister or with your daughter. I would not recommend practicing with your kids because your kids can be your worst critics. So try and practice with someone who's going to be nice, right? Who's not going to say, oh, you don't say it like that. So here's the first one. Kei te pai. Kei te pai. Good. Ka nui te pai. Very good things. Kei te āhua pai, which means okay, I'm okay, just a little bit good. Kaore I te pai, which means I am not good. Kaore I te pai. Kei te māwiwi. I am sick. I am tired. Māwiwi, like the French. Oui. Kei te māwiwi. Kei te ora tonu, I am still alive. I am still well. Kei te wera, which means I am hot. Kei te makariri. Kei te makariri, I am cold. Kei te mahana, I am warm. Kei te hoha. Kei te hoha. It's my grandmother's favorite one. I am annoyed with you. Kei te hoha. Kei te ngenge, I am tired.